Hey, Harold Kimball here. I've got a short little video for you today showing how I made this nifty tool right here. And then at the end of the video, I'll show you what this tool can do for you. So this right here is the tool. You can see I put my name on it, which is kind of nice. If you've got stamps, you can do that. It's a leather strap, about 3/4 of an inch wide. Here I have a neodymium magnet stuck on there, and it's stuck on there with Velcro. Got that at Lowe's. It's heavy duty. I bought it for another project. The leather is salvaged from a shoe factory dumpster, and then I put a red cord on there because brown things tend to get lost, so a little bit of brightness on it. What is this mystery tool? Well, it's very simple actually. You just wrap that leather strap around your finger like that, and then you get a rubber band, and you have a fingertip magnet, which could come in very handy. For example, if you need to hold a nut like this in behind somewhere, a tight spot, and thread a bolt through your project into that nut, smaller nuts too, like that, it could come in handy. Or this could be used to reach down and grab something. If you don't have a rubber band, you could use masking tape. But that's it. That's it, folks. Now, of course, they sell fingertip magnets. I think the brand name is a magnetic fingertip. And it doesn't look at all like this. It's a sleeve that you fit your finger into. But if you got the parts, you might as well make these. You can give them as gifts, put people's names on them if you have the stamps. Unique little, easy to make, and a possibly very useful tool. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.